Hey, welcome back to Cooking with Hacks. This is my assistant,
Daddy Fart.
Today's episode, we're going to be making a new recipe I made up called Deadly Pie.
Okay, what should we do first? I reckon just get
Just get the mixing bowl out, get that lovely you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Okay. You want to make sure none of the food sticks, so you want to get a little bit of that good stuff in there.
Yep.
Absolutely delicious. Yep, lovely.
So we clip this.
Then you want to get some mayo. You tip that in there for this, because it just adds some, it adds an extra texture to it, It
Bit
just
of
adds
coffee.
that little bit of coffee in there.
Maybe a bit of honey.
Bit of honey.
That's a good thing.
Yeah, this is my assistant chef. He's pretty good. I've been teaching him all the basics to making this very deadly food we like to make.
It's good say in there. Looks pretty good.
Some curry powder. And then you're going to put that in here to really get that flavour. Next off, what we want to get is some peanut butter. Now this peanut butter really adds the texture to the taste, It really adds that to it, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Scrape off with a spoon to make more, Just add that to the mixers.
You give it a little mix.
Alright, now guys, we're going to have to put some milk in to get it all nice and wet, you know what I'm saying? I mean, I personally milked this cow by myself with my own bare hands to get this, so you should be grateful. There we go. Now that we have that in there, you want to give that a little stir. This is what our deadly pie looks like so far. I honestly can't wait to try this. So now what we have is flour. Basically what this will do, it'll make it so it's not so milky. So when it goes down into your system, it doesn't, you know what I'm saying? Let's just tip a bit of that in. Now let's give that a stir. Yeah, always better with a knife. Yeah. Okay, goody.
Yeah, I'm gonna taste it. It'll look really good.
Here's our taste tester here, Denny Fart.
I open my mouth.